Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix sound problem in Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Suppose if you find that audio is not working in your phone, then there will be some settings changed. First, let's check whether volume is working or not. Okay, even after pressing volume up button, if volume is not increasing, and if you are playing any YouTube video or any other video in your phone, and when you are going to increase volume, if you find that there is no volume and volume does not increasing, then there will be some settings changed. Okay, so what you have to do, go to the notifications area and see there, if do not disturb is turned on, then you cannot increase or decrease volume. Okay, volume will be automatically muted for all medias. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, you go to turn off this do not disturb, so that only you can increase volume. Okay, see, now I can easily increase volume. Okay, also decrease volume. Okay, so in this way you can easily fix volume problem, sound problem, if by mistake it arises. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.